Snowy Cold, Minnesota. It's December 2016, and the air temperature here is negative 24 degrees. As I was looking up the temperature, I was quite depressed to find out that some of our family members are currently in Fort Myers, Florida, which is 100 degrees, technically 97 degrees warmer, but still. We are going to take some boiling water and see how quickly we can make it freeze. All right, girls, let's go outside.
Okay.
Get my shoes on, my slippers. What is it? All right, girls, ready? Count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Woo!
Merry Christmas!